Rubber rollers play a crucial role in the printing process by ensuring smooth and consistent ink transfer, paper transfer, coating, and lamination process. During ink transfer process, rubber rollers are used to transfer ink from the ink supply system to the printing plate and then from the printing plate to paper or other printing material. During the printing process, rubber rollers are used in the paper transfer system to ensure smooth movement of paper between different printing processes. The high friction coefficient of rubber rollers help to accurately transport and position paper. In some printing processes, rubber rollers are also used for coating and laminating processes. For example, in packaging printing, rubber rollers are used to apply various protective and decorative coatings, improving the durability and appearance of printing materials. As a rubber roller manufacturer, Futianroller has nearly 20 years of experience in roller production. If you need rubber coated rollers, please consult us.